Get him na. Oh, he's back na. He's back na. Yo, what's up, zztvids? So, I was taking a bath the kukuk and Zane comes up. Why did you come here, Zane?
Stop it. Get some help.
Oh, I know. We can get the camera holder for the camera. So, stay with me. Oh, hold this. Naku, basa yung kamay mo. Dry your hands. I already finished, taking about the papa and the mama kukuk. Where did they go na naman? Oh, they're on the tree. Yeah. Tapo mo yan doon sa manok.
And the ducks will know I am there, so they will not bite me again.
Yan sa baba lang.
Papa, they will not bite me again.
Who is biting you ba?
The dog.
The ducks? Maybe we tell the viewers. Which duck? That duck? The one with the white on the feather?
Yeah.
Maybe he's a bad duck. Tapon mo na.
Oh, there's a little left.
Oh, you stay here with me. Wait for me. I will get the camera holder.
I got to dance up here.
Oh, we'll be right back, guys. I'll get the camera holder first.
A few moments later.
So, guys, I was taking a bath, or I was pinapaliguan ko yung kalapati, guys, and then Jane come here, wants to join and make a video daw. Let me get plier first.
Get him!
Let's do that. Get mo yung feeder, ilabas mo yung feeder.
Get him!
So guys, the other baby is still waiting. He still haven't come back. It's already the third day. I think he's gone. Someone already got him. Oh.
I was dancing.
So, I put some.
What is that?
I put some salt on this water for the kuku. What? Ikaw, para makikita ka na sa video. Ito. Ito. Huwag mong ganyan, no? Splashing. Go here. Ah. I will finish plier na. Oh, look, he's taking a bath by his own.
What?
Plier. Sige nga, plier. Take a bath ka nga. You splash me. Take a bath by your own. You know how to take a bath pala eh. I don't need to take him a bath eh. Oh, you scared him. Let him take a bath. Where's Jet? Oh. Jet, where are you? Don't scare him. Oh, wala na. He's done na. You scared him eh.
Get him back in there.
Wala na. You already scared him too much eh. So, clean the ring, clean the feet. It's done? Mahulog ka naman. Wala na. You're chasing him too much.
Oh, I'm getting him. I got get you, flyer. I got get you. I got get you, flyer. I got get you.
Let's carry him too much. You will fall there. Oh, get him na. Oh, he's back na. He's back na.
Ah!
No, you, ano, wet jet. Yeah. Oh, you can let jet go na.
Whoa!
He's done already,
Papa,
Jet?
you can hold him.
Hmm? You can what?
I want to touch him when he is in the water.
Just touch him one time. Oh, like this, oh. Oh. Just touch him. Don't chase him too much. Yan. Oh, let him, take a bath by his own. How about the other pigeons? Get them?
They will fly away. They fly away. Think about his feathers. Papa,
What?
I got water on my face.
Oh, stand up lang dyan kasi. Where's the mom?
I saw the ball. I saw something there. What is that?
Smell like may suka ka na din. Because I put some salt and suka on the water.
One suka.
The one you use when you're,
What is it?
the sauce when you are eating fish, fried fish. Let the others, take a bath by themselves.
Oh.
Okay na yan, food. So guys, we'll let them take a bath na.
Put some food. Put food in here. There are food.
Look at the baby.
Wow!
It looks different than Papa and Flyer.
Yeah, I got all the food.
It's a
I told you! I told you!
That's okay. When they're done, they can go down and then take a bath.
But they will fly down.
No, Flyer is here. Oh. He did not fly naman eh. He's the one who's wet lang eh. Not the others. Oh guys, you see that baby? It's a super dark blue ball.
Hey, get it. I know.
And then, you feed him. Tumuto ka na ba yan? Does he know how to peck na?
Put that there. I thought to just put that there. But he looked kind of bad, a little.
That sticks. That's his feather growing up.
Please, I don't do that. Hey, eat that! I told you eat.
So guys, it's a dirty blue bar.
So I got him to eat. What's inside? He do have a second show. Whoa, it's like milk mags. It's like milk mags.
So don't pull it out. Yo guys,
Hey, I got you just. Hey, he's hiding.
Flyer, you trying to fly na?
I get.
Choking him. Give him 2 food na. More pa? Maybe we can make the ano, what we call pot. Something that you use with the baby pigeon.
Oh no, it's dirty.
Yeah, let's clean it to it. That's one.
No, I mean the hole.
Yeah, the ring. Clean it.
So guys, I just teleport up here and then I teleport up a cell phone. Because I said before, I want to make a video of the coco. I want you to make a video of the coco.
So I clean the feet. And this will be our stock bird.
Hello! Ah!
Yep. So, Rumonda tuloy sila. Dapat tinalikuan na lang natin. Fire still wet. Chasing them too much na. Fire, come here. Do the trick.
Papa, why are you putting him there?
So he can dry himself.
What? I have to clean my hands.
Guys, papasok ko na yung baby pigeon. And flyer. Oh, eat. He's done na eh, di ba? Flyer's done. Oh, they know how to do it.
Don't fly it! Yeah, go on the tree. Don't fly my flyer.
Why are you chasing the black one? Because
Remember the papa and mama flied?
no, they went onto the tree. See?
So remember, but
Did they fly?
it's on the tree.
Jet.
But who's that cuckoo?
So that's, oh yeah, that's the papa and the mama and Jet. Remember we have another baby?
Wait, we have another jet?
That's auntie.
Auntie and the papa?
Yeah. So Flyer did take a bath and the papa and the auntie. So I think we're done on this one.
Yourself. Make my boy.
Let's just
I think he's hot.
oh,
Flyer.
Milk Megs. Where have you been, Milk Megs?
Where's Milkman?
Oh, the papa fly na.
And then and Milkman.
And mama. Ito si Milk Megs oh. Why one?
He went somewhere to the neighbor.
Oh, let's give food na and then let's go down na.
Some water. I gotta get some flyer some water.
Okay.
Flyer water. Flyer drink water. Flyer drink water.
He's not thirsty.
Put it inside. Papa, put it inside the thing.
So guys, thanks for watching for our today's video taking about the kukuk.
Say,
Bye.